Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some cottagecore aesthetic home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Cottagecore is an aesthetic and lifestyle trend that romanticizes rural, simple living and traditional countryside charm. In home decor, it creates cozy, nostalgic, and nature-inspired interiors that evoke the feel of an English cottage or country farmhouse. Think of it as a blend of vintage charm, rustic simplicity, and whimsical softness. Core elements of cottagecore home decor: vintage and antique furniture, time-worn wooden pieces, distressed finishes, and heirloom quality. Items like spindle-back chairs, roll-top desks, or cloth bathtubs. Use mismatched or upcycled furniture, adds charm and character. Use nature-inspired color palette. Soft, earthy tones like shell green, dusty rose, cream, butter yellow, and terracotta, florals and botanical patterns are everywhere, contains wallpapers and cushions. Handmade and artisanal touches, embroidered linen, hand-knitted throws, and crocheted towels. Use DIY projects, visible craftsmanship, and homespun detail are key. Use warm layered textures, lots of textiles like lace, linen, cotton, and tulle, quilts, vintage rugs, and velvet, or floral cushions add comfort and layers. Use natural materials like wood, especially oak and pine, wicker, rattan, stone, and ceramic, terracotta pots, raw wood beams, and open baskets. Use floral and botanical motifs like dainty florals on wallpaper, fabrics, or artwork. Also use dried flowers like lavender, baby spring in rustic vases. Crowded clutter, open shelving with books, teacups, candles, and sentimental objects embraces a cozy lift and feel rather than minimalism. Old wall details, vintage clocks, brass candle holders, oil lamps, and china descent. Also use wallpaper, ruffled curtains, and iron bed frames, evoke nostalgia. Garden and cottage kitchen fill, hard pots on windowsills, open shelving with messengers, gingham patterns. Also use approach sinks, copper pots, and ceramic bakeware on display. Overall mood, romantic. Everything feels soft, intimate, and storybook-like. Solo living encourages time for baking, reading, crafting, and gardening. Nostalgic looks to the past for inspiration. Think pre-technology, simpler times. Here is a deeper dive into the cottagecore aesthetic in home decor, including its philosophy, origins, emotional feel, and how it shows up in different spaces in your home. Cottagecore is more than just a decorating style, it is a nostalgic romanticization of rural life. It idealizes a slower, more intentional lifestyle connected to nature, domesticity, and traditional skills like baking, trade, tending gardens, and sewing. In home decor, that translates into a warm, cozy, and slightly whimsical space that feels like a retreat from modern chaos. It is a gentle rebellion against technology, consumerism, and fast-paced living, celebrating imperfection, handmade charm, and peaceful domestic life. Key elements in each room. First, bedroom. Use floral or tile bedding, antique or old iron beds. Also use layered coins, ruffles, lace-edged pillowcases, jarred flowers, red or pressed flower art, soft fairy lights or candle sconces, old wooden nightstands, window spokes, and soft pastel colors. Dining room or kitchen, wooden firm tables, mix and match chairs, open shelves with vintage crockery and mason jars. Use gingham or floral tablecloths. Tray shelves in terracotta pots, copper pans, and ceramic pitchers. Also use breadboard, handmade mugs, old spice racks. Living room, sleep comfort or tufted sofas in light fabrics like linen and cotton, floral curtains, rosetted drawers, and stacked books. Use wicker baskets, candles, antique clocks, or radios. Gallery wall with botanical prints or pastoral art. Wood burning stove or fox fireplace for ambience. Bathroom. Use clawfoot tub or vintage-inspired fixtures, lace curtains or floral shower curtain, episode-style jars with bath salts or soap bars. Use botanical prints, print mirror with ornate trim, oven bath mat, soft neutral or floral towels. Emotional feel and lifestyle. Cottagecore home decor is not just about looks, it is about how it makes you feel safe, protected, and nurtured. A slower pack, cozy mornings, afternoon tea, and reading by a window. Encourages creativity, baking, knitting, painting, and journaling. Romantic and dreamy, but grounded in comfort. Where to find Cottagecore decor, vintage and cheap stores for furniture, linens, books, and crockery. Step for handmade pieces, embroidery, candles, red flower art. Antique markets, great for one-of-a-kind finds. Brands to explore, anthropologize especially their home section. Train, Cottagecore Gems, Stay, Jara Homes, and second-hand online shops like Cheers. Pro tips. Cottagecore is not about perfection, it is about authenticity and soul. Embrace chipped paint, hand-spun linens, and crockery mismatched patterns. Your space should feel lovingly lived in, like a countryside escape passed down through generations. Cottagecore is a cultural and emotional movement. Cottagecore is not just a decor trend, it is a philosophical response to the modern world. It is about slowing down, reconnecting with nature, and embracing the beauty of imperfection during fast-tech heavy times. It invites you to romanticize the quiet joys of homemaking. Appreciate traditional skills like baking, gardening, and painting. Feel at home in a simpler, gentler world. At its core, Cottagecore offers comfort, escape, and healing through aesthetics and atmosphere. Historical and literary inspirations. Cottagecore draws inspiration from several eras and cultural sources. The English countryside ideal, 18th to 19th century, romantic rural life. It creates wild gardens, Victorian and Edwardian aesthetics, rural wallpaper, lace curtains, and drawing room coziness. Cottagecore decorating philosophy. Cottagecore decor emphasizes authenticity, comfort, and organic beauty. Key decorating benefits: imperfection is beautiful, like cheap teacup or rugs. Layering tells a story: old plus new, fabric plus old, clean plus cluttered. Nothing is too precious to use. Vintage teacups for daily tea. Home is a century. Each reflects who you are, not just what is trendy. Unlike style minimalism, cottagecore is full of texture, color, and history. Seasonal expressions of cottagecore. One of cottagecore magical traits is how it changes with the seasons, helping you tune into the natural rhythm of life. Spring cottagecore. Fresh florals, pastel linens, and garden tools. Frogging, flower pressing, and planting herbs. Summer cottagecore. Linen dresses hung on hooks, wild pockets used up in winters, drying laundry outside, fresh pies on the sill. At-home cottagecore. Use comfort tones, wool blankets, and apple picking. Jars of preserves, pumpkin spice candles, and baking bread. Winter cottagecore. Warm lighting, rustic oak, cinnamon-scented air. Handmade gifts, fireplace lounging, thick walls. Every season becomes a chance to redecorate mindfully, reconnecting with what is around you. Daily life in a cottagecore home. The decor inspires and supports a slower lifestyle. It is a cottagecore home. You might display freshly picked flowers from the garden in old jars. Use linen napkins at dinner with handmade ceramic platters. Keep a sourdough starter in the kitchen window. Have an open shelf of books, spines faded from years of love. Sit with tea in a chipped floral teacup, reading by candlelight. Write letters with a fountain pen or embroidered near the fire. This is not just a look, it is a way of living that values peace, care, and beauty in the ordinary. Essential decor checklist for a cottagecore home. Here is a simplified guide of must-haves. Category textiles: lace curtains, floral cushions, patchwork quilts, and knitted drawers. Furniture: wooden farmhouse tables, iron bed frames, distress hutch, and wicker chairs. Accessories: candles, window frames, dried flowers, china sets, and doilies. Storage: wicker baskets, open shelving, antique chest, and messengers. Lighting: soft warm lamps, fairy lights, sconces, and candles. Walls: floral wallpaper, botanical prints, and framed embroidery. Nature: houseplants, dried herbs, pressed flowers, and seasonal treats. The The emotional physiology of cottagecore spaces. Cottagecore interior design impacts mood and mental health in specific ways. Softness and warmth regulate your nervous systems via warm tones, natural materials, dim lighting. Textile layering creates a cocoon-like effect, increasing feeling of safety and coziness. Objects with history promote a sense of identity, comfort, and continuity. Visual quiet. Pastels, neutrals, earth tones helps reduce mental noise. A well-styled cottagecore room invites you to solve your breathing, reflect, and trust. Something rare in modern design. Sustainability and eco-consciousness in cottagecore. Cottagecore love for vintage, handmade, and natural elements. Naturally aligns with eco-friendly living. Here is how cottagecore encourages sustainability, thrifting and upcycling instead of fast furniture. Indoor herb gardens and houseplants reduce air toxins. DIY textiles like crochet, painting, embroidery reduce waste. Cottagecore is about creating a home that feels like a hug. It is not about being outtrained. It is about choosing comfort, storytelling, and serenity over perfection. Every winter's cup, layered blanket, and homemade objects bring soul into your space. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me.